The manufacturing. All of the Ramzi Extractor's characteristics, especially its thinness, come with a challenge. If the head is too thick, the instrument loses its defining features. But if it's too thin, it risks breaking. My first experimental prototypes, made by an unknown brand, would often snap under pressure. I needed a metal strong enough to maintain thinness without compromising durability. A material that could preserve all the instrument's characteristics while ensuring unmatched strength and reliability. Only Karl Martin in Germany could manufacture it. In 2023, I worked closely with the excellent team at Karl Martin, refining the new prototypes until we reached perfection. None broke during the rigorous testing period, which lasted from 2023 to 2024. I personally tested the instrument on my own patients during this time, and after every extraction, I was simply amazed. We'll meet again for another video soon.